It's Wednesday, October 12th. We are parked just outside of Badlands. We woke up to howling winds. It's like 60-mile-per-hour winds outside, and it's raining. Oh, you can hear it. It's literally like shaking the van. Yeah, look at that little dome. I think I injured my foot. I did injure my foot. I don't know how bad it is. It's very frustrating. Stay posted for updates.
Really pretty. We're in a cute little town called Deadwood. It's very old-timey. We saw a little like rustic-looking trolley that runs through.
Whoa, this is.
Oh my
really
goodness!
cool,
what the heck? It's so cute here.
If my foot didn't hurt so much, I'd be like, let's get out and walk around.
I know. Poor Carlos' foot is deceased.
Look at this valley. Satan's Tower. I wouldn't mind stopping again for the picture turnout. Close encounter of the merest kind. This is what I'm reduced to. Fucking monopod cane. But, I mean, this is pretty cool. It's very cool.
We're parked on some BLM lands in Wyoming, and we see mountains. We saw mountains today. Tonight, we watched the mountains.
It's been kind of a wild day.
Mm-hmm.
Stay posted for more foot updates. It still hurts. Bye. Said bye.
Oh, no, it's filming forever.